This is my workspace. I spend several hours here every day. It's where my logos and icon sets come to life. So, when I have some free time from logo design orders, which doesn't happen very often, I don't just sit back and relax. No, I keep on working and creating new logos to sell on LogoGround. This approach helps me refine ideas that did not quite fit my clients' needs, but I still see potential in them. All it takes is a little effort to turn these ideas into something great. Let me share one of those ideas with you today. Once, I got a request to design a logo for an auto repair shop. The client wanted an abstract logo. And here it is. By the way, if you need a logo or a set of icons, you can totally order them from me. I'm always open to new projects. You'll find the contact form in the description box. While working on this logo, another idea struck me. I decided to combine two concepts, car and range. I also thought that car repair can be pretty complex, and many people don't really understand how it works. So, the logo should be friendly, clear, and a bit playful. To better visualize what I wanted and to train my eye, I created a mood board based on simple ideas like a cute car and a range. Time to grab my sketchbook and start drawing some rough drafts. I want to bend the silhouette of the range to resemble a car with wheels as its wheels. I think this idea works, and I can continue developing it. When I work in Adobe Illustrator, I always use a modular grid to ensure the logo has consistency and proportion. The base shape for everything, especially the range, is a super ellipse, a shape that's like a mix between a circle and a square. I love using this shape as it gives a modern, rounded and friendly look. As for the main color, I'll use a vibrant gradient fill. For the font of this logo, I decided to pick one from Google Fonts. I need something more naive, maybe even slightly childish, to reflect the friendly and playful concept. Alright, the logo is now complete. I uploaded the final result on LogoGround for sale. It's a unique logo, and only one person can buy it for their brand or business. For a more detailed look at this case, you can check it out on Behance to the link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.